What is it that Gurudeva, Shri Guru, when we are calling out to Shri Guru, how is this happening? Sakala sahane baladiya koro nijamane sprihahina. Sakala sahane.
Sakala sahane means give me the
Sahana, tolerate. Baladiya koro, strength. Nijamane sprihahina.
What is that?
Can we post that one? Did we post it? Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jaya. Gurudev kripa bindu diyam. Koroe dase trinapeka atihina. Gurudev kripa bindu diyam. You are an ocean of mercy. You don't really have a reason to look at me and give that kripa to me, because I have nothing. There is nothing qualifying in me to get that kripa from you. That is my state. My state, very lost, destitute, confused, miserable, offensive. So there is no reason why you should really take pity on me and you give that drop of kripa to me. But you are known for your causeless mercy. There is no cause. Nevertheless, you decide to give a drop of mercy. So, very lost in touch with the beautiful reality. Completely lost in touch with the beautiful reality. But you are ocean of mercy. Would you please give a drop of your mercy? Gurudev, kripa bindu diya. See, Bhagavan is present everywhere. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate. But iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. Who will make that understand to me? Iti matva bhajante mam. Who will make that matva to me? Who will make me understand that Bhagavan is everywhere? Bhagavan is in the heart. Bhagavan is in the holy name. When one iti matva bhajante mam, who can realize this, then Buddha bhava samanvitaha, their bhajan will be full of bhava in me. So Bhagavan is there everywhere. But who is giving Bhagavan? If Bhagavan is appearing as such yahan pe, then we will be like Duryodhana. It's not that the Bhagavan has to appear, but something has to happen before the darshan of Bhagavan. Otherwise, Bhagavan is there. He is in the holy name. But I am like Duryodhana. How am I treating Bhagavan in the holy name? I'm like Duryodhana. So, the mercy personification of Bhagavan, Gurudeva, Shri Guru, has to come and tell me how pitiful condition I am in, and how useless case. There is no hope, but I want to give you the hope. I want to take you to Bhagavan. So that voice has to come, that form has to come, and then say, see, this is what you are experiencing now is just an illusion. This is miserable, but there is a beautiful place. So I am here to get you out of this place and take you to that beautiful place. That form has to come. And And even then हम लोग को इतना होता है कि I think this is a good place. You know, the Haugen stool. I think this is a good place. Then the Karuna aspect of the Guru Tattva is when they show their tolerance despite our disrespect to them clearly. When they are with us, they are with us, they are with us, and Shastra says this is the personification of mercy that is taking you to Bhagavan. Still, we don't have that. We don't treat them, as our rescuer. ऐसे होते तो भी, they will still continue to give the nama. They will still continue to give the mercy. That also we will not be able to realize, but somehow the purification, as we continue to stay with them in the Bhakta Sangha, as the purification happens, then we wake up to this reality first. Oh my goodness, how was I treating this? Krishna Kripa Srimurti, who is giving the mercy of Bhagavan. I don't know about the Bhagavan. I really don't know about Bhagavan and Harinam. But इतना मर्सी यहाँ है, how am I treating? ऐसा तब आता है ना, then we are waking up. Then the rest of the words, Kripa Bindu Diya, Kuro He Dase, Trinapeka Dihina. I am Gurudev. Kripa bindu diya koro yeda se trinapekha dihina. Kripa bindu diya koro yeda se trinapekha dihina. Sakala sahane baladiya koro nijamane sprahahina. 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 Nijamane sprahahina. Gurudev, Kripa bindu diya koro ye dase trinapeka dihina. Sakala sahane baladi. Where does this sahana come from? Sahana is tolerance. Tolerance is tolerance of the urges from within. Tolerance of everything unwanted that comes from within. Tolerate it and continue the seva. Where does this tolerance come from? Sakala sahani baladiya karo. And the strength. Strength is bala. Spiritual bala. Balarama. Where does that come from? Bala, Adhyatmika bala comes from an Adhyatmika murti, not from the material mind or intelligence. It has to come from Adhyatmika murti. It has to come from Adhyatmika murti, a spiritual personality, because it is Adhyatmika bala. What bala can come from a material mind? What bala can come from material intelligence? Which is totally under the control of Ahamkara. So I look up to that Adhyatmika Murti for Adhyatmika Bala. What is my sambandha to him? From there comes the Adhyatmika Bala. He has given a sambandha to this destitute. That is the Sambandha Bala. From the Sambandha Bala comes the Sahana. Otherwise there is no Sahana. From the Sambandha Bala comes the Sahana. This Sambandha Bala From this Adhyatmika Murti, when I become Nijamani Sprihahina, when my identity is totally the one with his identity, with that Adhyatmika Murti, Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, the expansion of Balarama, who is giving the Bala. Bala is given by that Sambandha, by the identity, reinstating us in that original position. That's the Sambandha. That's where the Bala comes from, not from here and there. That's the only source of Bala, from that Sambandha. That is Nijamani Sprihahina. Nijamani, exactly like you, how you are situated as ನಿಕುಂಜಯೋನೋರದು ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾಯಾಲಿ ಬೇರಿಯುತ್ತೀರ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಣೆ. You are situated in your original identity in the grooves of Vrindavana. And very out of causeless mercy, you have given you have given the Sambandha to me. So I am taking shelter of you, so you may be able to situate me in that Sambandha that you are in. Nijamani. Sprihahina. The Sprihahina happens automatically when we are pleading. When we are pleading and when we are trying to be situated in our original constitutional position to the Sambandha, Ashraya Data, who is giving the Ashraya, Sambandha and Ashraya. Then the reality, then that Adhyatmika Jagat will be the reality. And everything else, Sprihahina, will happen automatically. Everything else about this material world will become a background, a faded background. ऐसा हो जाता है. When the sun glows brilliantly, then the darkness goes away. We cannot wipe away the darkness, thinking I will wipe this darkness away. क्या? ऐसा नहीं है. The sun has to rise. The Sambandha Data, Ashraya Data, they have to give that Sambandha and Ashraya. Through that the Bala comes, and then Sprihahina automatically happens. Everything fades away. There is no separate effort needed. I will come out of this false ego, excuse me. That will never happen. The darkness is dispelled by the sun. In the same way, the Sprihahina, that zone of ahamkara, of doership, proprietor, enjoyer, सब है ना, entangling illusory zone. हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. बस ऐसा we just turn towards the sun rays coming from Krishna Surya, who are Sambandha Ashraya Data, and then say yes. एक इतना causeless mercy है कि just by turning towards this Adhyatmika Swarupa, everything else automatically happens. Sprihahina automatically happens. Darkness is gone. Bala is right there. In the Sambandha and Ashraya, it's right there. Then, how does one feel? Yo antah pravishya mama vachamima prasutam sanjeevayati akila shakti dharasvadamna anyamscha hasta charana shravanatvagadin pranan namo bhagavate purushaya tubhyam. This comes through the Sandhini Shakti. When the Sandhini Shakti enters into us, the Sandhini Shakti from the Sambandha Ashraya Data, then Kripa Bindu दे दिया. ऐसे होया. This is giving the Kripa Bindu. This is how Kripa Bindu is entering into us. Because and इसमें तृणपेकादिहीना बन गया. unless Trinapeka Adhina is there, I am humble as a blade of grass. That is a text, words hai. The fact that yo anta pravishya mama vacham imam prasuptam, the fact that we are awakened from within, the sleeping senses are awakened and you have entered into these senses, and I feel it in my hands, in my feet, in my skin, in my very prana, Bhagavan. That is happening because you have taken complete ashraya of sambandha, ashraya data. That is Trinapekadihina. That is Trinapekadihina. That is being humble. This humility, humble has to so totally to do with this, taking ashraya of the Sandhini Shakti. The rest of the things happen. The rest of the things happen. The sun rays come, and the Sandhini Shakti is there. From the Sambandha Ashraya Data, Krishna Surya is there. The darkness is gone. Rest of the things happen. Sakala Sammanam Kurito Shokoti Dehonatha Jata Jata.
Sakala Sammana Purita Shakoti Devnatha Jata Jata
Tabito Gaibo Harinama Sukhe Aparadaha Bihata.
Tabito Gaibo Harinama Sukhe Aparada Bihata.
So this Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, Gurudeva, this Sambandha, Ashraya Data, he speaks. Then, Bhavat Padam Boja Sudha Kanalila. Sa Uttama Shloka, Mahan Mukhachuto, Bhavat Padam Boja Sudha Kanalila. When he speaks, the saffron dust particles, from this Sambandha Ashraya Data, from the heart of the Sambandha Ashraya Data, they come from their lotus mouth. They enter in to the ear, directly to the heart. Chal jayega directly to the heart. It doesn't get blocked anywhere. Swana bhava saroruham. Otherwise, how yo anta pravishya mama vacham will happen if it directly doesn't go into the heart? Pranan namo bhagavate purushaya tumya. So, sa uttama shloka mahan mukhachuto. This Mahat Bhakta, Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, he is priming us, prepping us to receive Bhagavan, to receive the Bhagavan in the holy name. And through that, Mahan Mukhachuto Bhavat Padam Boja Sudha Kananila, when that enters into the heart of the beggar of the mercy, then Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo Matta Sarvam Pravartate. That Jnana Chakshu, the Tattva Chakshu, the transcendental vision, is given by this Bhavat Padam Boja Sudha Kananila that entered into the heart. Otherwise, up until then, you are lifeless, disconnected, miserable, like that. And then you see Krishna everywhere. What happened? Now you see Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo Matta Sarvam Pravartate. Yes, Krishna, everything is yours. Everybody is yours. ये कहाँ आ रहे, कैसे आ रहे? ये माइंड से होते हैं क्या, इंटेलिजेंस से होते हैं क्या? भवत पदाम बोज सुधा कणानिला महान मुखाच्युतो. Then you see aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartate suhridam sarvabhutanam jnatva mam. Oh, suhridam sarvabhutanam. And this Mahat Bhakta will make you see, will give you the darshan of the Bhagavan. He will give you the darshan of Bhagavan. Is a Sandhini Shakti. He is making the holy name appear here. He is making Bhagavan appear on the altar. So he is giving the darshan of Bhagavan. It's the Mahan Mukhachyuto. That Bhavat Padamboja Sudha Kananila, that will give the darshan of Bhagavan in this world. Darshan of Bhagavan on the altar, darshan of Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities, darshan of Bhagavan in the Nama. So the Bhagavan has to come as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti to prep us, prime us up, to make these Duryodhans into Arjunas. Then Sakala Sammana Koretu Shakati. By this time, the Ashray Data, Sambandha Data is seen as Acharya Bhagavan. Sakala Sammana is given to them because there is no life without this Acharya Bhagavan. And because of this Acharya Bhagavan, everywhere Sakala Sammana. Lord is present everywhere, everything is Krishna. Sammana to everything that is existing here. Tabito Gaibo Harinama Sukhe Aparadaha Bihata.
Tabito Gaibo Harinama Sukhe Aparadaha Bihata.
There is no more Aparadha Bhavana, see? The Aparadha Bhavana is not there. Because of the mercy of that Acharya Bhagavan. The Aparadha Bhavana has gone away. And now the holy name, Harinama Sukhe, there is Nam Ruchi now. But did we not hear that it's the holy name, the Sankirtan together will remove all the Aparadhas? That's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was speaking to Rai Ramananda and Swarupa Damodara, right? Can somebody give me that, please? The one that was posted. आपका सेल फोन देते तो वो हमारे गौर प्रेम नाम ग्रुप है ना, वो ओपन करके आपके सेल फोन देना प्लीज. ये है यहाँ. So what did Gaurachandra say?
Nama
Nama Sankirtana Haite Sarvanarda Nasha Sarva Shubho Daya Krishna Primera Ullasa. Nama Sankirtana Haite Sarvanarda Nasha Sarva Shubhodaya Krishna Primera Ullasa. Here Gaurachandra is saying, when there is Nama Samkirtana, when Nama Samkirtana happens, when there is Nama Samkirtana haite Sarva Anartha Nasha. All the Anarthas are Nasha, destroyed. Two things are there here. For this Nama Sankirtana, this kind of Nama Sankirtana has to happen. For this Nama Sankirtana to happen, Japa is the priming factor for Nama Sankirtana. Nama Sankirtana is a qualifying factor for Japa. ऐसा होता है. कभी-कभी when we come out for Nama Sankirtana, we come out because we come out. We don't know if the aparadhas are going away or not. We still feel like aparadhas है ना, ऐसा है, ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि our individual seva to Nam Prabhu Japa is not strong yet, है ना, इसीलिए they both are linked. The strength for Nama Sankirtana comes from Japa, and Nama Sankirtana is a qualifier for the Japa. So when I am willing, knowing that I have all these aparadhas, I'm calling out for help along with the devotees together. That is Nama Sankirtana. And along with the devotees together, calling out for help. This will qualify for the personal japa, because we are doing it with the devotees together. There's no taste, full of aparadhas. These two here, this is the fact. No taste in the nama, and there is aparadha bhavana, offensive mentality. These two are there. still coming to the Sankirtana. This Nam Prabhu says this, and during Sankirtana what happens is the offensive mentality will come down because of the mercy of the Harinam Prabhu. A offensive mentality hai na, when we are by our own self, it nicely sits in the corner, comfortably sits in the corner, and then still says, oh, you're chanting japa, good, 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 keep going. Offensive mentality, untouched in the corner, ऐसे it stinks there. ऐसा लगता है. Japa is going on, every day 16 rounds going on. Offensive mentality still is there. Yeah, it is also going on. ऐसा होता है. But when we are coming out for Sankirtana, the offensive mentality that is there gets washed away. Because we are asking Harinam Prabhu, now we are at the mercy of Harinam Prabhu. Harinam Prabhu washes away that offensive mentality to the Nama specifically. And that's how when that mentality is going away, then the offensive mentality to anybody else is also going away, because what tendency is being washed away. वो होता है when we come for Sankirtan. There is no room. ऑफेंसिव टेंडेंसी को स्नीक करके ऐसे कॉर्नर में बैठ के ऐसे जगह नहीं है. व्हेन वी कम फॉर संकीर्तन, जपा में वो होता है, बिकॉज वी जस्ट कीप गोइंग. हरे कृष्ण 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे, डन 16 राउंड्स, हो गए जपा. व्हाट हैपेंड टू द ऑफेंसिव मेंटालिटी? दैट इज आल्सो देयर. ऐसा. सो दैट इज वन थिंग दैट हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग द संकीर्तन टाइम. नाउ द ऑफेंसिव मेंटालिटी हैज कम डाउन. Then the japa. Then there is more. The mercy of the Namanishta can happen. When there is no offensive mentality, then the Namanishta happens. So that is the link between the Sankirtan and the japa, like that. And why are we coming out for Sankirtan in that first place? We are coming for Sankirtan. Why are we coming? We have no taste. Yeah, I have no taste, and this hurting mentality, offensive mentality hai. Then why are we coming? On what strength are we coming out for Sankirtan, which is giving this greatest boon that it will wash away the offensive mentality? Itna greatest boon hai. This is the power of Sankirtan. Devotees coming together and calling out to Krishna. This is one anga of bhakti. Dhara Madhya Sarvashreshta Nama Sankirtana. This is distinguished as the topmost, exclusively unique one. Nama Sankirtana. Why? Because it is so potent. Because Nama is going on and the whole focus is in the Nama, and we are with the devotees. A lab mein experiment hota hai na, when all the temperature is perfect, ingredients are undiluted, yeah, catalyst is also in full potency, tab dekhna chemical reaction kya hoga. It doesn't take too long for H2 to combine with O to form H2O, just like that. ये है नाम संकीर्तन. It's that kind of anga in bhakti where everything is just perfect. Ingredients are perfect. Temperature is perfect. Catalyst is perfect. That's the setting of नाम संकीर्तन. वो दूसरे सेवास है, but दूसरा सेवास you sneak in, somehow the seva will happen. That is Bhagavad Seva. लेकिन इतना all the ideal things, ki Nama, full focus on Nama, and then calling out with the devotees, ये sitting है ना, this is a Nama Sankirtana Seva. इसीलिए Nama Sankirtana है तो सर्वानर्थ नाशा हो जाता है. So in this way the Nama Sankirtana is a distinguished anga of bhakti. Yeah, we have to know that we are Nama Sankirtana Ashraya Bhaktas. So our purpose, ये पर्पस क्या है? ये मर्सी है, बून है, that Our Guru Parampara, Gauranga and Nama has made this setting and has put us in this ideal setting and is informing, see now how your aparadha tendency is being washed away. तब क्या होता है? Oh my God! So ये हो रहा है. Then what happens? इतना eagerness and alertness, a gratitude. ये क्या हो रहा है? This is so good. Hey Bhagavan, Guru, Gauranga. How have you created this auspicious setting? How you are bestowing this mercy upon us? The most difficult thing is for this aparadha bhava to go away. This has been the hindrance for the Nam Bhajan. And you are taking this away like this? Nama Sankirtan. Yes, please. Yes, sir. Yeah. Then, Sarva Shubhodaya Krishna Premera Ullasa. This is how we wake up. Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, Srila Krishnadasa Kaviraj Goswami, Srila Prabhupada, and they are waking up us to this fact that this is what you are putting now. This is the mercy that you are in right now. Aisa. And now keeping this in mind, this not just keeping in this mind, taking shelter of this Vani. अब देखना for the rest of the day कि क्या हो रहा है हमको. This is Tattva Chakshu. Oh, so this is what the Shastra and Sadhu is saying. Oh, so this is what is happening to me now. Yes, please. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this mantra, one time calling out the whole mantra. How much is there in that mantra? Guru and Gauranga, you have created this kind of setting, this auspicious setting for us, made this arrangement and made us know what you are providing for us, what you are doing in us. अंदर से आप क्या कर रहे? You are making us known. What else do I need? If Krishna Surya, when Krishna Surya is rising like this, what else is there to think of? Because the darkness is going to go away. It's all Aham Sarvasya Prabhu Matta Sarvam Pravartate. It's all Harir Nama Eva Kevalam. It's the holy name everywhere. Everything is holy name. That is Chetodarpanam Archanam. Then Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam will happen. Then Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidya Vadu Jivanam Anandambudhi Vardhanam. Then Krishna Prema, the waves of Krishna Prema. So Anandambudhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purna Amrita Swadanam. Sarva Shubhodaya Krishna Premera Ullasa. Sarva Shubhodaya Krishna Premera Ullasa. This is how it goes from Chetodarpanam Archanam, from being everything Krishna, because of the rays of Sandhini Shakti, because of the Sambandha Ashraya Data, giving that spiritual bala. Yeah? And then Chetodarpanam Archanam is happening. And it's just a beginning, Chetodarpanam Archanam. Rest of it, beauty is automatically happens. When the Chetodarpanam happens, the beauty is rest of it just flows. So up until then, how much a sadhu guru is priming up, bringing us to this point of where Cheto Darpana Marjana can happen. So that is the Bala Sandhini Shakti of Shri Guru. And after that, Anandambudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadan, that's all Ahladini Shakti of Shri Guru. Sakala Samana Korito Shokoti Dehonatha Jata Jata
Sakala Samana Korito Shakati Dehonatha Jata Jata
Tabito Gaibo Harinama Sukhe Aparada Habihata
Tabito Gaibo Harinama Sukhe Aparada Habihata
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
This is our reality. This is our reality. Our Sambandha, Ashrayadata has kindly picked us up from the muck of modes and placed us in this reality. So how can I stay in this reality forever? Shakatim buddhihina amiyati dina kurumore atmasata
Dina Amiyati Dina Kurumore Atmasata
Kabihena Kripa Labhiya ye jana Kritartha hoi benatha
Kabiheno Kripa Labhiya ye jana Kritartha hoi benatha.
So this is the very beginning point, dear devotees. Kabihena Kripa Labhiya ye jana Kritartha hoi benatha. This Arthanadam to the Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. In Gurudev Kripa Bindutiyo, that's where the whole thing started. Gurudev Kripa Bindutiya Koroye Dase Trinepeka Adihina Sakala Sahana Baladiya Nijamane Make me yours. There comes the Sambandha. There comes the Ashraya. वहां से होता है. This is Bhagavad Shakti. Bhakti's Bhagavad Shakti has to come from a Bhagavad Murti. So, Kabhi hai na kripa labhiya jana kritartha hoi benatha. So when the Arthanadam is there for that Bhagavad Murti, Kabhi hai na kripa labhiya jana kritartha hoi benatha. This is actually the heartbeat of the soul. What does the Jiva know about Bhagavan? Artanadam is for first for the Bhagavat Murti, Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, to the Sambandha, Ashrayadata. Then the Sambandha to the holy name will come. First the Artanadam has to go to where it has to go. Kabhi hai na kripa labhiya ye jana kritartha hoi bina tha.
कभी नो कृपा लबिया ये जाना कृतार्थ होई बिना था.
This is the stage where we see that Guru Tattva is non-different from Bhagavad Tattva. As Bhagavad Tattva is pervading everywhere, Guru Tattva is also pervading everywhere. And that means everything around us, everybody around us is just sent by Guru. The mercy of Guru. And Guru, Bhagavatam says, these many Gurus, 64 Gurus, everybody is Guru, everything is Guru. That cannot just come with thinking of the mind, I will think everybody as Guru. Abu, you think, see what happens next moment. Are you seeing the same person as Guru now? But when we are brought to this state, Kabhi hai na kripa labhiya ye jana kritartha hoi bina tha.
कभी नो कृपा लबिया ये जाना कृतार्थ होई बिना था.
Then we will see that Guru Tattva is present in every living entity as Bhagavad Tattva is present as Paramatma. Guru Tattva is present in every living entity and everybody is giving Krishna. Everything is giving Krishna to us from all directions. Shakti buddhi hina amiyati dina koromore atma sata.
शक्ति बुद्धिहीना अमियाति दीना गुरु मोरे आत्मसाता.
So, did our Shakti bring us to this point? Did our Buddhi bring us to this point? None of us. There is no Shakti, there is no Buddhi. Shakti, Buddhi, Hina, Ami, Ati, Dina. Destitute, fallen. Because everything that have is just the fallen category. Shakti, Buddhi, Hina, Ami, Ati, Dina. Koro More, Atmasata. Because you have made me Atmasata. Because you have made me yours. That's why I see that I don't have anything that can rescue me, and that's why I see you everywhere. I see everybody giving me Krishna because you have made me Atmasata. You have made me yours. That's why I'm able to see Krishna everywhere. That's why I'm able to see everybody is giving me Krishna in all directions. Every living entity, non-living entity. That is because of Koromore Atmasata. Because you have made me yours. Yes, sir. Because that's what their position is. They see Krishna everywhere. Everything has Krishnas, everybody, Krishna coming in all directions from them. That is Koromore Atmasata. Atmasata is Vishrambena Guru Seva. There is no difference between the Bhagavata and Bhakta, the Guru and Sishya. There is no difference. Atmasata means. It's not mind Sata. It's not intelligence Sata. It's not this, I'm doubting this body. So, Sharira Sata, mind Sata, intelligence Sata. No, not that Sata. Atma Sata. Gurudev Kripa Bindu Diyam Koro Yendasim Trinapekhati Hina.
गुरुदेव कृपा बिंदु दिया कोरोई दासे विडले कातिहीना
शक्ती बुद्धिहीना आम्ही अति दीना करो मोरे आत्मसाता
शक्ती बुद्धिहीना आम्ही अति दीना करो रे आत्मसाता.
This is Gurudev, please make me yours. Shakti buddhihina amiyati dina kurumore atmasata.
शक्ती बुद्धिहीना आम्ही अति दीना करो रे आत्मसाता.
The holy name is the property of a Shuddha Bhakta. The sole property of a Shuddha Bhakta. So, holy name is with the Shuddha Bhakta. Shakti buddhihina amiyati dina kurumore atmasata.
शक्ती बुद्धिहीना आम्ही अति दीना करो रे आत्मसाता.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Shri Guru, Harinam Prabhu, Guru and Krishna, I belong to you, we belong to you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Your turn next.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
Jagankaram patitam mam vishame bhavam buddho kripaya tava pada pankaja stita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. I belong to you, Guru and Krishna, as a saffron dust particle. At your lotus feet, Nanda Tanuja Krishna is Shri Guru, placing us as a saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Is it so? Really? We have come this far in Sri Sikshashtakam? The struggle is always stuck at Chedodarpana Marjanam. Even that doesn't happen. The whole japa, 16 rounds, done. Finish. But Chedodarpana Marjanam did not happen. Now, here, till Ainanda Tanuja Kinkaram. How did this happen? योग्यता विचारे किछु नहीं पाए तुम्हारा करुणा सारा योग्यता विचारे किछु नहीं पाए तुम्हारा करुणा सारा योग्यता विचारे किछु नहीं पाए तुम्हारा करुणा सारा
योग्यता विचारे किछु नहीं पाए तुम्हारा करुणा सारा.
What yogyata did I have? What yogyata did a piece of trash have? Nothing. Simply trash. But you picked up this trash. You made something out of this trash to offer it to Bhagavan. You not only made Cheto Darpanamarjanam to happen, you not only brought Bhagavan in the form of holy name, and you not only made this possible, not only just Cheto Darpanamarjanam, it's not just Namna Makari Bahudanija Sarva Shaktis. You have made the next thing possible. Bhavamaha Davagni Nirvapanam. You have made Trinadapi Sunichena Taroreva Sahishnuna Amanina Mana Dena Kirtaniya Sadahari possible. And not just that. Cheto Darpanamarjanam Bhavamaha Davagni Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. This is Yo Antah Pravishya Mama Vachamimam Prasuptam Sanjeevayati Akhila Shakti Dhara Swadhamna Anyamscha Hasta Charana Shravana Tvagadin Pranannamo Bhagavate Purushaya Tubhyam. This Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam is the lotus is blossoming because of the soothing rays of the moon. It is happening and the lotus is feeling. That's what Dhruva Maharaj is saying. I am feeling, you are. You have entered into me. I feel it in my feet, in my hand, in my skin, in my prana. This is beyond mind, beyond imagination. This is your Sandhini Shakti. This is Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. Then Vidya Vadhu Jivanam. Then you don't struggle to think of what is said in what Shastra, nothing. Vidya Vadhu Jivanam. When the lotus is blossoming, the realized knowledge just pours out. Vidya Vadhu Jivanam. Anandambudhi Vardhanam. Then all you see is you are just in the ocean of mercy. Ocean of mercy. Ocean of mercy. Pratipadam Purna Amrita Aswadanam. Every drop of the mercy you are honoring and relishing. There is bliss. Bliss has so many mellows. The first bliss is the ocean of mercy. Every drop of mercy is being honored. Honored, bowing down to the mercy. Every drop of it. As the honoring is happening, then we will understand what exactly that bliss means. Because that's when it begins. When we honor the drops of mercy. So, from the Kachara to this Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadhanam, honoring every drop of mercy. How did this happen? What am I filled with now? Sirf your kripa. Yogyata vichare kichu nahi paaye. Trash. No qualification. Bas tomara karuna sara. Because you have filled me with your kripa. So this container has nothing. Is made of only your kripa. The trash is replaced by the kripa. ये क्या जादू है? This is the Bhagwan's जादू. Through Krishna Kripa Shri Murti Sandhini Shakti. योग्यता विचारे किछु नहीं पाए तुम्हारा करुणा सारा क्या विचारे
किछु नहीं पाए तुम्हारा करुणा सारा
करुणा न होइले खंडिया खंडिया प्राणा न रखी बुहारा
मन होइले खंडिया खंडिया प्राण न राखी मोहारा.
This is the suffocation we feel. This is the fish out of water we feel when we lose that in touch with that merciful Sandhini Shakti. Karuna na hoibe khandiya khandiya prana na rakibor. There is no life. Clearly there is no life. Walking dead. Prana na rakibor. If there has to be some life in this dead matter, it is totally dependent on Karuna na hoile khandiya khandiya. Every breath of the pranavayu, every beat of the heart is dependent on the drop of mercy that you are giving. How can there be life here when there is no karuna drops from there? So then where do I look for when I feel suffocated, disconnected? Where do I look for? Karuna na hoile khandiya khandiya prana na rakhi buhara.
करुणा न होइले खंडिया खंडिया प्राण न राखी मोहारा.
Why only here? Why only look for here? Because the Adhyatmika Shakti is coming. The Sandhini Shakti, the Adhyatmika Shakti, the Bhagavad Shakti is coming through Bhagavat Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. That's where the lifeline is there. When this lifeline comes, then everything is full of Krishna. When this lifeline comes, oh, so I belong to this Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, to Guru and Krishna. That's the connecting lifeline. Then everything is Krishna's. Everywhere is Krishna's. That's how the life comes. Krishna is life. That's how he's giving us life. Who am I? Who do I belong to? Whoa, now that is what gives us the life. Who do I belong to? What am I doing here? I belong to Guru and Krishna. What am I doing here? They are engaging in the seva. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare doing to us now. Hare Krishna, Nama Sankirtana, Gaura Priya Janaki Jaya. Hare Krishna, Hare